friends, welcome to the channel Orange Blast. I am Meghna. Today in this video I am going to talk about online classes and how you can make online classes a better learning experience for your child. Being a teacher myself who is taking online classes from last 2 months and also setting up online classes for my children, I have made some observation which I thought it better to share it with my subscribers so that online classes can be a good and fruitful learning experience for them. Now the first point that we have to remember while taking online classes is that the speed of the Wi-Fi should be good. I know it's an investment, but as I feel that online classes are here to stay, it's better that you take a good speed Wi-Fi so that there is no problem of joining or rejoining the classes again and again, or you have to again and again refresh the page, which can be very frustrating for the parent as well as the child. Second important point that I felt was that the webcam and the microphone of your device should be working. Nowadays the online classes take place in succession, so before every class we should check that the microphone and the webcam are working so that the child can participate in the classes, and at the time of the classes we don't have to bother about the microphone or the webcam, and the class discussion can take place properly, and the child doesn't get embarrassed or frustrated. Now the third important point is that we should allocate a corner, a proper corner in the house for the child where he can take the online classes, where there is minimum movement so that he doesn't get distracted or disturbed by the movement taking place in the house. I have seen many a times while taking classes that the parents keep on coming to and fro into the room, which is not at all advisable. So please parents, be mindful that when your child is taking online classes, there is minimum of disturbance in the room. Now the fifth important point is, next point that we have to keep in mind parents is that while taking online classes the child blinks his eye so that there is no eye dryness. The online classes take for 2 to 3 hours together, and at the time we have to see that between the break the child does some simple eye exercises like just rotating the eyeball. He can also go and wash his face so that there is less of eye dryness, and which can later on lead to vision fluctuation. So that we have to see that some simple eye exercises are done in between. Now the next point is that whatever device he is taking classes on, maybe it is your laptop or your mobile phone, it should be kept on the eye level of the child. If he is sitting on his study table and taking classes, very good, but if he is sitting on the bed, then make sure that there is this laptop table or the computer table which is easily available in the market or which can be ordered online is there, so that eye level is there and he doesn't feel uncomfortable. Also make sure that if he's sitting on the back, there is some kind of backrest which he is using so that his back is also properly rested. Another important point that we have to keep, if your child is taking online classes for 6 to 7 hours, then I suggest that you buy anti-glare glasses. That's a must for the child. Also see that the temperature of the room is ideal to the weather so that he feels comfortable in that room. One more thing I suggest is that whenever he is taking online classes, he is keeping all the stationery before and only by his side, the books, the notebooks, the pencils, the eraser, whatever, so that there is no mid rush and he doesn't have to rush for all these things in between. So these are the very basic observations, basic points which I think will make online classes a very good learning experience for the child. For more videos, please subscribe Orange Blast.